Alright, now we're going to replace the fog light bulb on a Ford Focus. This is a 2005 Ford Focus. It'll work with all the models similar to it. Now, to get at it, your car is going to have this kind of pan underneath it, this thing, that in order to change the whole housing for this, which I've already done, I wish I had that video saved, but to change that whole housing, you have to take that panel off to get back there enough. But just to change the bulb, what you can do is you can get under here a little bit, and if you reach your hand, and you should be able to get to it. I have pretty big hands, but I can still manage to get to it. And just twist it and pull it right out. There you go. And then you just unhook it and put your new bulb in. And then again, you should be able to reach your arm right back in there. You have to use your mental vision here. You just put it right back in the hole, give it a twist, and you're good to go.